Hi everyone, my name is Steve Michelotti. Welcome to my course, C# Design Patterns Composite. I am a software engineer and technologist, and I work for Microsoft. If you're a C# developer who wants to learn more about design patterns, then you're in the right place. The composite pattern provides a way to work with tree structures, and to do this in a uniform fashion, regardless of whether you're working with a parent or a child item in that tree. In this course, I'm going to cover everything you'll need to be extremely productive implementing or leveraging composite patterns in C# on day one. Some of the major topics that we will cover include understanding what the composite pattern is and why we care about it, implementing your own composite patterns, how to elegantly compose composites with builders, understanding how to consume composites effectively and efficiently, and even identifying and working with existing composites that can be found in .NET itself. By the end of this course, you'll be familiar not only with all the basics of the composite pattern, but also even ways to traverse composites with optimal performance. Before beginning this course, you should feel comfortable with C# and have some basic experience with introductory data structures. I hope you'll join me on this journey to learn how to use the composite pattern with my C# Design Patterns Composite course on Pluralsight.